In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment to Freshbooks. If you've received money for an invoice and need to record it in Freshbooks, this walkthrough will take you from start to finish. Begin by logging in to your Freshbooks account. After signing in, you'll land on the dashboard, which gives you a quick overview of your business. Before moving on, make sure you're in the correct company or business file if you manage more than one, so the payment goes to the right place. Next, look to the left-hand navigation menu. This is where you'll find the billing tools you use every day. Click Payments to open the Payments area. Here you can review previously recorded payments and, most importantly, add a new one. To create a new payment, click the plus sign button. This opens a form where you'll enter the details. Start by typing the invoice number. As you type, FreshBooks will surface matching invoices. Select the correct one so the payment is applied to the right client and job. This step is crucial because it ensures the invoice status updates correctly and your reports remain accurate. Now enter the payment date. For clean bookkeeping and smooth bank reconciliation, use the actual date the funds cleared or the date on the check if that's what you received. Accurate dates help your cash flow reports reflect reality. Select the payment method next. Choose the option that matches how you were paid, such as cash, check, credit card, or bank transfer. Picking the right method keeps your categorizations consistent, and if there's a reference field available, like a check number or transaction ID, add it for easier tracking later. Then enter the amount received. If the invoice is paid in full, enter the total due. If it's a partial payment, enter the portion you received and FreshBooks will automatically leave the remaining balance open. Take a moment to confirm the currency and decimal places. Small typos here can create reconciliation headaches down the line. When everything looks correct, click the check icon to save. FreshBooks will record the payment and update the invoice status. A full payment will mark the invoice as paid, while a partial payment will show the new outstanding balance. You'll also see the payment listed on the payments page, confirming it's been added successfully. Finish with a quick review of both the payment entry and the related invoice to confirm the date, method, and amount are spot on. If you notice an error, you can edit the payment in the same area and correct it right away. Keeping entries timely and precise ensures your books stay clean and your reporting stays trustworthy, and that's all it takes to add a payment in FreshBooks.